homopolar motor. This we are going to need a circle to wind the copper wire, battery and magnet. First we need to wind the copper wire. So now we have created this coil. Now we are going to stick this battery to the magnet like this. So we have to use the coil we made earlier to put it on the battery like this, and the upper wire should be like this. Now we are going to put this like in here, and we are going to put the wire in the center. Then it will start rotating.